Buy XRP and Army easily with MoonPay and Joey Wallet. Watch this simple tutorial and you'll get XRP and Army in just 5 minutes. After downloading both applications and creating an account or logging in if you already have one, you'll go to Joey Wallet to buy with MoonPay. You'll choose the amount of XRP you want to buy in dollars or your local currency, and then select your payment method. Joey Wallet offers multiple payment methods. In this case, I decided to use Apple Pay, but you can use whichever is most convenient for you. You'll wait for the payment to process, then another couple of minutes for the transaction to process. And voila! Just like that, you've quickly and easily acquired XRP through Joey Wallet using MoonPay. You can also go directly to the MoonPay app and buy XRP from there. Inside MoonPay, you choose XRP as your purchase option, tap Buy, and enter the amount you want to acquire. You can optionally select MoonPay as the provider if you wish. Then you choose your payment method. Just like Joey Wallet, MoonPay offers several options. You'll wait for the payment to process, then a few more minutes for the transaction to complete. And that's it. You'll have your XRP right there in MoonPay. You can also transfer your XRP from MoonPay to Joey Wallet in a few simple steps. First, go to Joey Wallet and tap Receive. Copy the address that appears at the bottom. Then head over to MoonPay and tap Send. Select XRP, then the amount you want to send. In my case, it was the maximum. Tap Continue, Confirm, then copy the wallet address that Joey provided. Click to select it and wait for MoonPay to validate the address. Slide to confirm the send, and just like that, the transaction will be done in 5 seconds. Save the address in MoonPay for future transactions. And then go to Joey Wallet to verify that you have your XRP. Pretty simple, right? And not only that, now I'm going to show you how you can convert the XRP you bought with MoonPay and transfer to Joey Wallet into Army super fast. First, go to Joey Wallet and tap the swap icon. At the top, select XRP as the token you want to trade and then Army as the one you want to receive. Choose the amount. Tap Continue and swipe to validate with your chosen authentication method. Wait a couple of seconds, and just like that, your Army tokens are with you. And just like that, you're part of the Army, the largest meme coin in the XRPL ecosystem. It's that simple and practical to buy XRPL tokens with fiat money. Follow us for more tutorials like this, and remember, we shall prevail.